Alright guys, we're here at AirKewld in Goodyear, Arizona. This is day 4 of our Arizona tour, and we're going to stop by Pete's shop here and see what he's got going on. What's going on, Pete?
Hey! How's it going, brother?
Long time no see.
Indeed. Yes, let's do that again.
That
was nice.
Huh? See somebody's face? Yeah. So what do you got going on today? What have you guys been working on?
Today we're going to be doing assembling a chassis on 74 Goodyear.
So this is all the parts for it right here?
Yeah, all our parts for it. Going to make it a little cowlick roller on some of your Fuchs, 4.5s the front, deep 6 in the backs.
Nice,
and
nice.
Using your drive axles and accoutrement. Does that call it?
I guess that's a word. So before we get too into the chassis, how about you tell us how you got into VWs? Was your dad the one that kind of pushed you towards them?
Yeah, so my old man, he back in Southgate, California, one car garage behind the house where he's building dune buggies, and I was out there, as a little boy, just kind of doing what I can, pick up a wrench or a hammer when I shouldn't have, and then we moved out to Corona Norco area, and he built a shop, and we started doing. He started doing dune buggies like mainstream, like a lot. And I was in the solvent tank. I was building stock front end, middle of the spindle, or rear suspensions, and I kind of got out of it because my old man's tough.
Yeah,
he's tough. Kind of coming from that group of people, war veterans, you know what I'm saying? Super tough.
Old school.
Yeah, and I kind of got
out a little bit.
Oh yeah, I did not want to do anything with Volkswagen. I was like over it.
Yeah.
So in 2002, we went to Pomona, and I took my chassis of my 58, which has been done for quite a while, and we did a complete air ride system on the chassis. Took it to Pomona. And like I must have had 15 or 16 people who were right there, were ready to do the air ride kits on their cars. And I'm like, I don't know if I'm ready for this, And 4 or 5 months later, I had a business plan put together and started making it happen. And now we're in our 21st year. Yeah, very, very happy to be where I'm at. And it took all that hard-nosed learning from my old man. I still call him an a-hole every once in a while, but I appreciate his quest for, I don't want to call it perfection, but just doing it right,
Yeah.
And
so how much of this work do you guys actually do in-house? Do you guys do the pan halves and everything?
We do all of this on-house. We do it on our YouTube channel. We showcase all our work that we do on chassis. It's kind of like our direct correlation to our customer base. Like let me show you how we do it. And we're really methodical, very over the top, like. Let's show you how to do it right, Do
it right the first time.
Yeah, and that comes out from my dad, who's been doing business with you guys for like 40 years.
Yep.
So, crazy thing, we found Danish pan halves, but the rear quarters were perfect. So I blended the two, and then we put OEM seat tracks on it, and
it's nice too. The lineup is pretty tough. A lot of guys do powder coat, but man, you just jack slips one time, a couple rock chips.
Yep.
It's all over. All right, Pete, why don't you tell us about how you make these beams of yours that are so special?
Well, Ultimate beams are 100% US made product. We build them in any length, stock width to 6-inch narrowed. We call it our Ultimate beam. We do what's called an assembled beam, which is our pro-built beam. That we do all of that in-house. So we machine the bushings. We have the tubes lasered for us to the spec, and we keep them all over here on a rack in all our different lengths. So whenever somebody orders a 2-inch beam, 4-inch beam, 6-inch beam, we just grab those and we put them on our jigs. I want to thank EMPI for coming out, checking out our space. You can check us out on YouTube, AirKewld, on the YouTube channel. And we also have Facebook, Instagram, or you can check us out on our website, airkewld.com. Spelled a little funny, but AIRKEWLD.com. Until next time.